Hi, Dakota.
By the way, do you want to submit the screenshots and files on yours this time?
It doesn't matter to me.
Okay, yeah, let's do that. But what was I gonna say? Hi, Professor. What's going on? Happy 4th of July. Do you see like in the function that there's this thing called in tree?
Yes.
I feel like that's a good place to start, but we just take away the place parameter. We just put it in a tree, right?
Yeah.
That way we return a value. So let's look at all these other functions. I feel like wait a minute.
Dakota.
Okay, if we think about this, like think about like a tree in scheme.
Yeah.
Let's say like the top node is the world, right? And so far we have the US and like I guess England or whatever.
Yeah.
Those are the two other things in the list. So there's like 3 things in the list.
Mm-hmm.
The leftmost thing would just be like it'd be like a CADR, a cacooter. Oh, I don't know how to pronounce it. There's a funny name
Yeah.
for it. The CADR would be the left child, right?
Yes.
Because like if they're a list, and like let's say England's over here, the US over here, we want the left child. The left child's gonna be the first one on the list, at least in my head.
Wouldn't it be a CAR? CAR?
CAR, wouldn't that just be the world? Am I tripping?
So I created like a little code that would just do the like get the left side of the tree and the right side of the tree.
Okay, sure.
Try to do. And I think, but it might be wrong. Because I have the left side is CAR and then the node is CDR. And then, but.
What's the current one then? Right. Because like the world has a datum as well, which I think would be CAR, sorry. The next one over would be CADR. The next one over would just be fuck. Wait, hold on. We have the notes. We have notes. Wait, what lab was that?
CD or CADR, CADDR.
Okay, I'll look at the notes. So car is the first item.
Yeah.
CDR is all the items after that. Cons is constructing a new list. Okay, that's cool.
We haven't started the lab, right?
No.
Okay,
we're just getting our stuff together.
Okay.
So yeah, car would be the first one. So I think CADR would be the second one, and then
ADDR.
CADDR would be the third one in this example, which is it's tough because we don't know. Like, actually, I think we're guaranteed that it's a binary tree, right? So
yes. Well, it's a given tree, so it could be of strings or.
But like binary tree meaning that they only have 2 children at most. Because we're not gonna be able to do this if they have like 3 or more.
Yeah.
At least I don't know how to do it. We probably could do it, but all right.
I'm gonna have something that returns the last element. So
that's good. That's good. That's because we're gonna need to learn the height. It wouldn't surprise me. It's like, what's the number of nodes that can be held in the tree, which is 2 times whatever you get from that function. So 2 to that number minus 1.
Well, this just returns the last element. It doesn't.
Oh, do you think you could keep a counter going?
I think I can change it to where it's a counter if I just do some editing. But I'm definitely going to keep this in case we need to return the last element.
Good. I think I know post order, all that stuff pretty well.
I have that down too.
I watched this video where like, cause his videos are good, but there's other video where like, uh, so in order is pretty easy. And then pre-order is just like following the outline of the tree.
Yeah.
But then this video said like print the node after it's been like visited for the third time, which made sense if you think about like the end nodes as like, you know, trips, like the
Yeah.
low pointers. It makes sense.
That does make sense.
But let me blow my nose real quick. I'll be right back.
Okay. No return 0.
Are you doing anything for the fourth?
I'm just back home with my dog. It's my brother's birthday, so it's not much.
Oh,
We
wow.
went to Six Flags, so
Nice. Let's see.
no return 0 else. I wanna add 1 plus doing the last element again. Super simple to fix.
Oh, you did it?
Yeah.
Nice.
The height's 0 at first, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. We could probably. I think the maximum depth is all the maximum height is also the depth, by the way. Pretty sure. But what I was gonna say, but you already did it, so I guess it doesn't matter. But there's this one called count leaves, which
Yeah.
just returns 1 if it finds the thing. So that could be a way to keep a counter going, but we're good on that.
I was just playing with you. I'm shutting my door again. Dakota, I'll be right back. Okay. Thank you for opening my door, Dakota.
Let me try to make try to make the leftmost function. I want to take a crack at it.
Leftmost function, yeah.
I'm really glad we don't have to SSH into the thing anymore.
I like that this is just prep. You
Yeah.
never know what can be in those labs.
TA, whoever grades it, we have not started yet. Just to make that very clear.
Let's see. The time is 11:56, so you can see that we have not even opened the lab.
Right, yeah. I'm on the page, but I haven't put start quiz. Parameters around.
The last element would.
Can we do, when we do equals question mark, can we put like an empty list?
Yes.
Okay.
It's easier just to do null question mark though.
Ooh, you're right. But then what's the thing it checks against? Because like if it's equal question mark empty list, then
It just checks against like the entire tree or list in that case. So it would be null question mark list, and it'll check if it's an empty list.
oh yeah.
So I have a generic length. That's just to count. What was the question? There was one question that involved like a generic length.
Try to look at it right now.
Dakota, stop biting your paw. Let's see.
Oh, it says write a depth procedure, a procedure that takes in a tree as an argument, returns the largest number of nodes connected to the parent-child link. So just basically the depth,
Yeah.
which I think we already have.
Yes.
Write count nodes, a procedure that takes in.
The tree is argument. I also have count nodes.
I think we already have that though, right? That's count leaves, right?
That's count leaves. Count nodes is just a little different. Let me see. So I know I based it off of count leaves.
So what's forest? This is where I'm getting confused.
So in this tree,
It's like
it
a
also adds the cities, which
right,
is like a subtree of its own.
right.
And so forest is all of them combined,
Okay, so forest is the subtree.
all of the subtrees.
Oh, okay.
Because in this case, we have like a little subtree.
Okay. But I think count leaves, I guess it wouldn't work for a binary search tree, but it's pretty much there.
Yeah. So he made a leaf function where it like defines what a leaf is. And then it's like count leaves, but you just check if it's a leaf in the tree and then you add one. Or else you just loop through. Is what I did for counting the nodes.
Can you share? Because I guess I'm not really understanding that part. So count leaves, because yeah, count leaves in forest. Where's that at? Let's see. Oh, do I need to give permission about that?
Yeah.
Sorry.
This. Sure. Okay. So let me figure. He has this function up here. That's the leaf datum.
Yeah.
Where you kind of like it counts if it's a leaf, basically.
Mhm.
And then for the nodes, counting the nodes, I just checked if it was a leaf, and if it was a leaf, I added one. If it wasn't, then we went through it and did +1, and it'll count until it gets to the leaf for the tree. And then in the forest, you just run through that.
But I thought the leaves themselves could be nodes. I thought the leaves were just like a special name for nodes at the very bottom of the tree. Or at the bottom.
That's why it adds one, or it is one. It adds another one to it.
Okay.
If you run through it many of times.
Let me write
Or
that.
it returns one at least for that. So it would be like 1 plus the 1 plus the 1 plus the 1 if there were multiple.
Okay, wait. He defines leaf. Oh,
Maybe I did.
no, he defines it.
Okay, good. Because I was like going.
So
I tried to comment on mine, but then I stopped, and then it just.
so maybe I should define this. Well, I guess it doesn't matter where you define it. I was gonna try to define the function, but after they define what leaf is, but give me a sec. Why the naming convention is with a hyphen.
Yes.
It's kind of strange.
At least we didn't do the question marks at the end. I feel like that always throws me off when I try to call it.
Yeah.
Coda, you can sleep anywhere but on my laptop.
Leaf question mark is already defined.
should. And then like right before this, I coded the in order, post order, and what was it? Pre-order, just because I was going through the notes and I don't know, I felt like it was important.
Yeah. Count loads in the forest. Children. So count loads in forest, is that also something you define?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay. Have you tried this on a binary tree?
I have not. I tried it on our tree
That's
that he
good.
gave us.
Four, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, yeah, that's fine. So we'll have that. Do you want to start the lab?
Yeah.
Well, before we start that, hold on. This is just lab.
Okay. Are we ready to start it?
Not yet. Give me 1 second.
Okay.
Okay, so the time is 12:05. Professor TA, and we're gonna start the lab in right now.
Let's see. Display whales. Did he give us a tree? Or are we using
Fuck. Wait, what the fuck?
for question 1, did he give us a tree?
Dude, I don't see a data.
Or is it the world tree in the second world tree?
But I didn't see a link to that one. Did you?
No. Let me double check if the second world tree has.
The big one, right? The world, you have Italy,
World
China.
tree 2, if maybe that has whales in it. Because that would be in Great Britain. It does have whales.
Okay, there's just shit.
So
Okay. I'm trying to look for the link to that tree. I don't see it.
it's in the notes. And then it's the second giant highlighted session.
Right, but that's not the tree that we, so
I think that's the tree we're using. But it doesn't say anything in like the lab instruction.
so if you go, if I guess on the notes on page 13,
Yeah.
that's the first tree they gave us, right?
Yes.
Okay, then on the second one, that file is the one we were just working on, where you define like nodes in the forest and stuff like that.
Yes.
But that's different than the tree diagram that it has up here with glass cow, whales, and stuff like that. That one doesn't exist.
Yeah, but are we using that one or are we using, because the World Tree 2 also has whales in it. And it has cities.
Oh, does it? Okay,
Mhm.
I'm just tripping. I'm just actually.
Should I make a note that we're using that just in case?
Yeah.
Okay. Because I'm not entirely sure if that's. Hold on, I gotta let my dog out real fast.
You're good.
So that is on page. Should we use the second one?
Yeah, well, let's just use the second one.
Okay, that's on page 14. I'll do. Oh, I captioned it world trees. Okay, so we're gonna display whales. So I know it's gonna start with datum or display. You did come back.
Is datum itself like yeah. So display and then another open parentheses datum. We have
I feel like play datum file open. I feel like World Tree 1 kind of had that somewhere. So display datum. I should be running this on the other code just in case too. Okay. So Ellie, will you shut my door since the dog opened it? Dakota. Okay. So we're gonna display. Okay, it's gonna be only like the second child, right?
so where's Wales at? It's in England.
It's gonna be in Brit. Okay, yeah, it's gonna be in Great Britain. So that's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 children in.
Wait, so why is Italy not in parentheses? Just quick.
I didn't understand that. I'm wondering if it's because for Great Britain and the United States he put a space.
Yeah, because that's what I'm trying to go off of. Like, okay, so we could do that. We could do like display datum, and then we can do CADDR, which would give us, wait, yeah, which would give us Great Britain,
Yeah,
right? Maybe
yeah.
CADDR. Great. Okay, so now we're at Great Britain. Now let's look at this. We have England, Scotland, Wales. So CAD. Is it
So
another? Yeah, CADDR again.
I believe so.
And then I think, I don't know. Uh, that's what I would put.
Okay, I'm gonna double check that we made it to Britain.
Oh,
Okay,
and then tree inside that because we need to put the tree.
yes. I'm at China. Where's China in the World Tree? 1, 2. Okay, so I need another D. Okay, so that makes it to Great Britain. That's too many CADDERs. Is that why he's not having us run it, maybe?
I think we should be able to run it, to be honest.
I'm getting too many Ds.
So I'm just gonna copy so where it says count leaves world tree.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna copy that line with the new line. So I'm gonna do display. What did we say? Datum.
Yeah, because it starts with datum.
Datum, and then I'm gonna do CADDR. CADDR. Another CADDR.
Then you do children.
World tree. So world tree world dash tree 2. Yeah, I got Massachusetts. Okay. Fuck. Where's that at?
That's in the US.
Okay. Oh, okay. So maybe like one more D on the first one. Ohio. The fuck?
I think so. The first one's gonna lead. Okay, hold on. I'm pulling up the notes. Because she had it like color coded whenever you looked at the answers to double check. And it was
Who?
really helpful. Whoever this person was. Okay, so I'm gonna share screen. Like I understand it. If it's loading. Okay, my Zoom is loading. It's not responding. Ah, that's concerning. Can you still hear my audio?
Yeah, I can still hear you. Can you hear me?
Yeah, my Zoom's.
Okay, so if
Okay.
can you hear me?
Yeah,
Okay, I can hear you. Don't
I
worry.
can hear you.
Okay, cool. It's
I
still
guess I just can't share screen.
oh, for real? Okay, Professor
Yeah, it's doing like a little buffer.
Professor TA, whoever. She's gonna leave the Zoom meeting right now and reconnect. She's gonna quit Zoom on her end and reconnect.
Okay,
Yeah,
I'll
but
be right back.
all right.
If it lets me close it.
I think Control Alt Delete brings up Task Manager. Okay,
It's still that's weird. Okay.
that is strange. So for some reason, when I do like a display data CADDR World Tree 2,
Yeah.
it gets me the United States, which is like, okay, that's expected.
Yeah.
But if I do another D, it gives me Zimbabwe.
Yeah, I think so. With World Tree, it's hold on. I'm gonna share my screen. With World Tree, if I can get to it. Okay. There's too many things going on. That's why I was. So it goes Italy is the first child, then United States, then Zimbabwe, then China, then Britain. So that would make Britain the CDDR, which is unbound.
Right. So, oh, so how about this? So,
I'm wondering if that's why he wants us to type it instead of showing our screen.
yeah, but like it wouldn't be right even if we typed it because they just won't do it, right? So
Yeah.
I'm thinking like, okay. Okay, wait. If we start at Zimbabwe, right, which is yeah. Okay. If we do, okay, so right now I have like the United States. If I add another D, that'll be Zimbabwe. What if we, so let me share my screen.
Okay.
Uh,
Because is he having us like?
can you see that?
Yeah.
Okay. So what if we like, because right now we can think of Zimbabwe as like the root, right?
Yeah.
And there's like
If we do
Zimbabwe.
another like two.
Yeah,
These
so if we wrap,
don't do the A. Take out the A to get rid of Zimbabwe. So that would be like Zimbabwe's list. Oh wait. That
yeah,
would be Zimbabwe's list.
yeah, which is fine. because we have Zimbabwe, China, England,
Yeah.
Scotland, Wales. Really, we only need to do this. Okay, so watch this. So I think, hold on. Let's see what happens. We'll do CADDR again right here. I think that's okay, right?
Yeah.
Cool. We're Great Britain.
Are we?
Yeah. Trying to see.
Oh, cool. Okay.
I'm trying to see where that is on the list. I lost my place. Hold on.
I think it's two from Wales. So
Yeah.
we have.
Okay, so now we're on Great Britain's list, right?
Well, yeah, that's where we need to be so we can get to Wales because Wales is a city.
Right.
Is it?
So we delete this A. We wrap it once more. Hold on. And then we do CADR. Oh fuck.
Yeah, because it's a child, isn't it?
Oh no. We do CAR. Okay, we're close. We're close. Hold on. Oh, that's just this. Okay, that's just dumb. So we're Great Britain.
Okay. So we're at Great Britain.
What if we do CADR?
Wouldn't it need to be?
But that brings up Australia, which is a little bit. Oh, wait. That's close though. Is Australia on the same level as Great Britain and the United States?
Well, isn't it just a child of Great Britain?
Yeah.
So shouldn't we just go into the children? And it's how many into the children?
It's 1, 2, 3. So yeah, this is what I do. Yeah. So, oh wait.
Would be 1, 2.
If I do.
Let's see if this is right.
Great Britain. This is actually a better view.
Okay. Just see if that.
Okay, here's what I don't get. You see how this displays like the whole Great Britain family?
Yeah.
If I add a D, right, I expect it to move to England.
Yeah.
And we'll just run that. But then I get the Australia one.
Well, isn't England just a city in it? Because this tree has the cities.
No, so Great Britain is like the overarching, like England has its own cities, and so does Scotland, so does Wales.
Okay.
Yeah. What if I do CDDR? Okay. Let me wrap this around one more time. What?
I do have an extra parentheses. It looks like. Okay, I made it to Wales.
Oh, how?
Okay,
Oh, let me
so
stop sharing my screen. All right, I made
so
it to Honduras.
so I took so I got first we got to Great Britain, and then I took the children of Great Britain and just used that to get to Wales because it's part of the Great Britain list.
Oh, can you share it?
Yeah. Is it not sharing?
No. Also, I guess the other Annabelle left. Okay.
Me that was frozen? Yeah. But it was so we wrapped all the way to what's it called? Great Britain. And then the child within Great Britain is Wales. So I just got there. Because
So,
Wales would have its own city, but it's encompassed in Great Britain.
oh shit, I wasn't even using the child one, but yeah. So, is there a way? Okay, wait. So you did see, okay. Feel like children.
There you go. I wonder if he wants us to give
Wait,
him
can we
the
use children
entire.
now?
Huh?
Can we use children?
I think we have to be allowed to use children to access.
That's what I was confused by because like only using CAR and CDR variations. How does children work then? You just use that.
Children. It gets you in the sub list because without children, we couldn't get into the sub list.
Yeah, I totally agree with you, but I just don't know if his instructions are clear on that.
It wasn't clear on which tree to use either, unfortunately.
Yeah, so TA, whoever.
I'm gonna highlight
So
Wales when I do a screen grab just in case.
yeah, good.
Got it?
Give me a sec. Sorry. All right, I think I got it.
Okay. Stop share. I don't know if he's wanting us to like, do we have to turn in the entire code or like,
I think he
I'm
just
gonna
wants.
do both.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I'm gonna do both. I'm like being sure about it. I don't know. Just in case.
Yeah, that's good.
Because I know normally we have to turn in like the image,
And the file.
the file. Go ahead. Upload. Oh. Should I do the header probably?
Not if he's only asking for text. I don't think so,
Okay.
but I don't think it's that big a deal.
I'm still gonna upload the code just in case because I have no idea. World tree 2. Just in case. Okay. So locate a city, identify the pre-built functions used to locate a city in world tree.
I guess they just want us to use the function because they did do that.
Yeah.
So if I guess we go back to the very top. Cities name list. Okay. I don't know what cities does, but I know what in tree does. And I think they use it for us 3
They
times.
do. That's why I'm slightly confused about.
Yeah, it doesn't make sense. I'm like confused about whether or not they want us to like use this tree. Because like I tried to look on the notes, like there is no link to a file that has the bigger one,
Yeah,
even though the video said eventually he would post it. Is it on Campus Wire? Like, are we just out of the loop?
the big one answers. He said to use that for the lab. So
No, because so sorry, give me a sec. Let me just so there we have World Tree 2, right? Which is big,
yeah,
right? But I don't think that's the same as where's it at? Where's it at? Where's it at?
World Tree one. Or
Oh, is it though? Oh,
it's kind of it's added onto it. It has the cities added.
okay, okay. So the one on page 12, the big one, that is the one we have access to?
Yeah, we have access to both of them, don't we?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, then never mind. Okay, then never mind. Okay, whatever. So, so wait, question 2. Does he want us?
So
Okay, yeah, we just provide a screenshot of the prompt and then also like what it should be.
we're locating city in. Wait, what is the question? Okay, the pre-built functions used to locate. So
So it would just be in tree.
yeah,
So if we go to the we'll just have to pick a city. We could put Sydney.
sounds. Trying to identify to locate city in world tree. So we use locate city. Locate city uses datum tree. The pre-built function is subpath, I think. Right?
Oh shit. Okay. I thought he was okay. I thought he was asking us for asking us.
One second. One of my brothers is asking me questions.
No, you're good, you're good.
I'm so sorry.
Oh, you're good, you're good.
Okay, sorry.
No, you're good.
So I think it's asking us to identify the pre-built function. Like,
So the one that says locate and then the 2 parameters are city and tree.
the pre-built function. So like Scheme has pre-built functions, right?
Yes. Yeah. But because I think when he says pre-built, I feel like the ones he just included are in the file, not exactly like the ones that are like in the scheme, if that makes sense.
Okay. I think I'm gonna I'm gonna do both. I'm gonna write both.
Because if you let me show my screen real quick.
I'm a little confused by these questions.
So you see this one?
Yes.
I'm pretty sure this is what he's asking for. It's like Wales, or this is kind of fucked up. I need to format this for some reason, but like when the question's like identify the pre-built functions used to locate city in the world tree, show that the functions will return false if and true city. It's not shitty if it does. Okay. So let's just put a city in here that doesn't exist. What would that be like? I guess Midland.
Austin. I don't know.
Yeah.
College station. There's so many cities.
And that's okay. That's right.
Yeah.
Sydney, which I think it is, it's in here. We get the world, Australia, New South Wales, Sydney, which is like the path. It's like the absolute path too, because it starts at world. It's not the relative path. I mean, if we passed in like a subtree, it would give us the relative path, but
So is he wanting us to do that?
I guess so, yeah, because like when I look at the function, hold up. What the fuck?
These
Okay.
questions are slightly up to interpretation. I don't like that.
Okay, so we have locate city tree, if equals city, datum tree, list city. Okay, let subpath, where the fuck is that defined? Okay. Let subpath locate forest and city, locate in forest, city, chill tree. Okay,
Because subpath is gonna follow a path. I don't know if it's gonna return true or false at all. Not entirely.
this function doesn't return true at all. It returns false if it's not in there. And it returns the path if it is. Which I think is true. Like if it returns the path, it's true.
It should return true, yeah.
Cons creates the list, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So I guess he just wants us to use it. I don't think that. I don't know why these questions are worded like that. So TA, hold on.
I'll go ahead and do one.
So here too, I don't know if I guess my screen was, I'll put these in my typed answer as well, but these are two examples of like that follow what the instructions say. I guess. But
Possibly.
I understand where you're coming from. Like there should be more to it, but how much time do we have left? Okay, we have an hour. Okay. Okay,
I'm gonna go ahead and do, so it was locate that we used?
yeah.
Locate. Go ahead and write just that up.
I wonder if I change it though. Like I kind of wanted to print true, like a little bit. Oh, I think I could just change it, right? Like
Yeah, you can just get rid of cons and then
okay. Yeah. So if I do yikes.
did you put quotes around locate or not locate the name of the city?
No, I just put a apostrophe.
Okay, that's why I don't have that there.
Okay. Yeah, if we delete cons and we just put true right there, it also works.
Okay, I'm gonna go
Yeah.
ahead and do that.
I'm also gonna put the definition of the function.
City.
Let me blow my nose real quick. I'll be back.
Okay.
All right, I'm back.
What is it doing? Application is not a procedure.
Oh, do you want me to share the screen real quick?
Yes. Trying to figure out why mine's,
Sure. So
sweet to me.
I just replaced the whole line with true instead of
Okay, if subpath true. That makes sense.
Dr. Racket coming in clutch. I like how it shows like where the parentheses ends. That's really helpful.
That is super helpful. Let's see if that fixes it.
Are you not working at that one restaurant anymore?
What do you mean?
Didn't you tell me like when you first started doing these labs that you worked at a restaurant?
No, I work at HEB.
Fuck.
No, I'm just home for the week because my birthday is next Saturday and I just
Are you
want free
turning,
stuff.
are you turning 22?
21.
Nice. Nice. Did you get it?
Hold on. It is freaking out.
I can also type it in chat. Let me see.
Got it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and
Oh, you got it? Never mind.
yeah, I'm gonna screenshot just using it. And then I'm gonna screenshot the code of it. Locate city and forest. So I do not want to split screen. Okay.
Should 3 create a function that would give it a country. Okay. That should be too bad, right?
I should save this. It shouldn't now. It shouldn't, but
I like that. We could just use what we used for the first question. So yeah, we have basically hold up.
don't die.
Yeah, in order to like not do this lab, I'll die real quick. Okay, hold on.
Does that automatically give me an A if I watch you die?
I think so. I think it's like one of those things where it's like if the professor doesn't show up for the first 15 minutes, like
Or if your roommate dies, you automatically like get a 4.0 for the semester.
right. Because it's like very hard trauma. But so I would just pick a random function because I like to start off from a boilerplate. I don't like to do all the parentheses. We'll name this like first child, probably. First child, and we'll give it 2 parameters. We'll give it country, then tree.
I'm gonna go ahead and insert. Did you insert both of the codes, like locate in forest and then locate, or just?
No, I just put locate because I didn't change locate in forest.
Okay.
Oh,
I'm
so
not really sure what to upload for these, but
I think as much information as we can is okay. So this is actually trying to be much more complicated than I thought it would be. Hold on.
create a function that when a given country, it returns the first node for that country. Okay. Just return the null value.
So what if we do, let's just do some testing real quick. If we do entry question mark and then we do, is United States all lowercase?
Yes.
With a hyphen in between United States?
Let me double check on that.
No, so I guess it's just.
No, it's a space.
Okay. So if I do this. Oh shit. So if we do locate, or if we do the tree United States, it'll put true. Now if we do locate instead of city, it also returns true.
Okay.
So if we do a function that calls locate with our 2 parameters, which is the city and the tree, and then
the country in the tree.
The country in the tree. My bad. And then
wouldn't it just be basically like locate in forest city and tree, but it would, instead of city, it would be country? And then
I was thinking more like So we have to go back to the old version of locate where we did replace the
Yeah.
cons. And then we would just put CADR in the front, like tag that on. Right?
Yes.
You can
Well, why are we returning to the old version?
because the old version of locate, if I thank God I have it. All right, hold up.
But it also gives the cities, doesn't it?
Yeah, so it instead of true, it returns the list of the datum and the subpath, which is fine.
Yeah.
But what I want to do is get the first part of that subpath, which would be CADR.
Yeah, that makes sense. Wouldn't it just be CAR? D moves it over one?
But then would it CAR be United States?
Yeah, you want the country, don't you?
No.
Oh, first child, never mind.
Yeah. No,
I
yeah,
read that wrong.
it's a good question because sometimes I think CAR does move it over, but I have to remember it doesn't.
What does that do?
So okay. So we'll go back to this.
So I'll go back to the old version. Here. I think I'm just gonna open in like an entire new file. No, I'm just no. It'll be messy. Let's do okay. Fine. I think I'm gonna call it first child. What are you calling it?
I will also call you a first child. You know what? I would try something. I would just try to see if I could just do CADR, just like modify the locate one.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh shit. Well, I need to choose the names of my parameters. So
No forest. We're returning false.
okay.
Coda.
Okay.
Just see if this.
What is the list what is the list part doing in locate?
Like the tree or the list?
Oh wait. Never mind, never mind.
Expected pair.
Okay, so is subpath, when we say let subpath be like the locate in forest, is that now like a pointer if like in C++ terms?
I
To
think subpath is like a pointer
okay, cool,
from the looks of it.
cool. So I'll do CDR.
I'm gonna get rid of all my examples. Above the answer. Just okay. Italy, Venezuela. What is it doing?
Hold on.
Hmm. It's the first child. I'm getting a whole list for Italy though.
Wait. Have we tested out just locate in forest by itself?
No.
All right, let me try to see what happens. Oh,
So it seems the subpath is like the list before?
yeah, it's like it's not as useful as I thought it was. It's like it's like a directory of structure almost, like all the
Okay.
all the folders before you, but it doesn't actually even really take you there. It's kind of just like
Here's what it
yeah,
leads to there.
yeah, it's not a path. So um I wonder if let's just try it on Italy because the United States has like more than one word. It's really annoying.
Shouldn't no, we don't want leave. Children. We don't need subpath.
Wait, if we're at subpath, we've already found the country or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
But like, wait. Do we just need to do CADR children tree at this point? Instead of cons datum tree subpath. Oh fuck, but it's gonna throw an error because it's like gonna expect. Oh well, I'll try it anyway, but whatever. Because yeah, like I forgot how if statements work, but for some reason, if I change this part, no, actually, fuck it. I'll try. Hold on. Sorry. CADR.
Equal.
Okay, this is promising, I think. Do you want to see this?
Sure.
I don't know if you've had this like pop up. So if we change the cons, whatever this was, like the list,
Yeah.
if we change it to the CADR children tree, which is just like the subtree starting from the United States as the root,
Yeah.
we get that. So like, can I just do this? Like, I don't know why it gives me a list if I just ask for CADR low key, which is
Because at the beginning you have returning list of the country, right? Would that maybe be it?
this is what I was gonna ask about. Like, what is this doing? What is this line doing right here?
So if it's equal, then it returns the list of the country.
Oh, okay. Not quite. Ooh, what is the first genre? Okay. Wait, so if I just oh, see, that's not good. It didn't change like if I just put the Great Britain or the United States right there. Okay. Do you want to put a pause on this one and do number 4? Because number 4 seems
The number of nodes. One that we may have already created. Let's test it.
yeah, let's test it.
Okay, let's put a pause on this.
Mine doesn't work. Can you share your screen?
Yeah.
Oh, let me stop sharing. My sister's tripod, it's all weird.
Okay. So I kind of got rid of all my test cases at this point, but this is going to count the nodes of the tree right here, and then we count the nodes in the entire tree. So
you need both.
that's just so you could recursively call it and make it easier if it counts like the tree, and then you just recursively count all the trees.
Right. Let's try it, I guess. Hold on.
My dog is passed out.
You said your dog was passed out.
She is passed out, yeah.
You can stop sharing, I guess. Yeah.
Okay. Let me test it. I don't know if it's the correct answer. It's not gonna let me do anything.
It's kind of giving you trouble.
Oh no, it's because I didn't complete the last one. It's not gonna let me do anything.
Okay. Like the last question on the quiz?
Question 3, I had some of it not.
Oh, I see what you had. My bad.
Oh, what is it doing? Leaf 1 given. Oh wait. Is yours giving you an error?
Hold on, I'm still counting my parentheses, my bad.
Okay.
This is fucking annoying. Hold on. If you want also, you can just copy and paste the tree into the file that like your test cases were in and not actually the functions. Sometimes
It's too
that
late
works.
now.
Sometimes that works, but yeah.
CDR. Okay, I'm gonna take
Test out.
file, copy and paste. want that.
I am getting an error.
That's what I'm wondering why.
Let's
I had it working earlier. I don't know why I have the first world tree up because that is not useful. So I wonder. What I'm doing. What is it?
So you have if leaf tree. That's just wait. Let me see what leaf does. Hold on.
Leaf would see if it's like, is it the leaf?
No.
But it's expecting here. Count nodes of the current tree. Count nodes in this.
I wonder if we do just like count leaves in forest, but we do children tree, will that not just give us all the nodes?
It might.
Doesn't children give us a forest? Or wait, am I tripping?
Count. Thought we had it. Okay, wait. Let's see. Children, count nodes, children tree. Because doesn't children return?
It returns everything but the. So if we were to do children tree, it would return everything minus the root.
Yeah.
It,
I would think
so we would need to add. We would need to do +1.
+1. Yeah.
Oh shit! Hold
Count nodes. What, Dakota? Because the problem is going to be a CDR of a node.
Just Just to reiterate, just to make sure. When Italy says like, okay, here are its cities, the cities are the forest?
I think. Oh yeah. Let me see. Because Italy's cities are like. Well, no, it's a subtree. Italy is a subtree. Because then the cities would be the leaves.
Right. So then that's what I'm trying to find an example of a forest in this tree. I guess if we go to the notes and see the picture.
Yeah.
Is the forest like Great Britain and then down, right?
Yes.
Okay. Well, then why isn't Italy a forest? Is it because like Scotland also has children and that counts it as a forest?
Um.
You see that? So because if Great Britain has Scotland, England, and Wales, right?
Yeah.
Scotland has 3 children, which kind of makes it its own little community, but it's underneath the umbrella of Great Britain. So that's why it's considered a forest. But then if that's the case, I still don't understand why Italy's children as a whole, including Italy, is also a forest.
You make a good point. I'm looking at that though. It's a really good point. I think Italy itself would be a subtree. So I think the children of the tree are what creates a subtree because they're cities. And since their cities are blank, there's no subtree to those cities, so it's not a forest itself.
So, oh, okay. You know what? I was about to say, because like I guess places like Scotland, California, and Queensland, all this would be much easier if we could be like, we'll just go through all 5 major places and then do count leaves.
Mm-hmm.
But then we would miss out on like 4 places.
Yeah.
We could hard code that in, but that's not the way I would do it. Like we could just do count leaves, world tree, and then do +5 because we need to include the world. Do you see that?
Yeah, I'm not sure if that would be correct though.
Yeah.
So
We got 17 minutes. Okay, hold on.
is the tree a leaf? If it's a leaf, add 1. If not, add 1. 2. Count nodes.
Yeah, I'm trying to if no.
I think the way I coded this doesn't make sense. Okay, wait. So we're gonna add 1.
If no. So on your function count nodes in a forest, you're saying if the tree is pointing to, like if the tree has nothing,
Yeah.
then do 0. Okay. And if it does have something, then count the nodes.
I wonder if I could do. What if it's count?
What if you delete the part where it says count, like on the count nodes in forest tree? Since you're already saying, look, if the tree has nothing, then add 0. Oh wait, but no.
It's expecting a pair, and there is. World. Okay. So it's expecting, maybe it's CDR tree.
I have CDR tree.
CADR tree? Because it's trying to give it a pair, but it's given, no. Okay, that's not it. Given. So it's given world in that case. Dakota, I'll let you out, but if you come back in, I'm gonna be very mad. Come on. Decide if she wants to be in or out of my room. Okay. So
Yeah, as backup, I will do count leaves +5, to be honest with you. Yeah, for this specific tree, but that's only because we have the map.
yeah.
So display count leaves, okay.
Something going wrong. So here's a leaf that counts as one node. Here's the thing that I'm giving it. Given a world. It was working earlier when I ran it.
Yeah, yeah. I got 32. Let's see. 4, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
I'm wondering if I just go back to my original tree. Like or maybe because, oh wait. Okay, so maybe because I'm calling count nodes in forest, what if we just call the count nodes?
wait. So which function are you talking about? The forest one or the just the
We call just the count nodes because if I'm looking at the count nodes in forest, or I'm looking at the count nodes and I call count nodes in forest.
yeah.
So I'm wondering if I just run it as count nodes, if it works.
That's what I tried originally.
I got 44.
Oh, okay. Wait, wait, share your screen.
Because
Because
I
44
knew
is right. Because count, I guess there's some other force I'm not thinking about, but
because I was trying to trace it and I realized that I call this one to add on to that. So I'm
right.
wondering if it's just
Wait. That's so strange because I got an error because I did that.
Did you try calling just count nodes? Because I was calling count nodes in forest and getting an error. Because this one's expecting a pair.
Yeah, wait, so count nodes and then world tree. 2, right? Should be okay. Okay, so let me share my screen.
Okay. Stop sharing.
Okay, so this is what I have. This is what I tried at first. This is what you have for count nodes, right? Oh, is it because this was defined afterwards? Like
I think so. Try it.
what? All
But
right.
you have to get rid of the second definition. No, CDR. Okay, go back. Trying to see what. So, count nodes in forest, children tree. Oh, take out the A.
Oh,
What's it doing? +1. And you have parentheses around the plus and the 1. Application is, okay, there's something, double check all your parentheses in the count nodes.
yeah. Seems right, right? Yeah.
It's saying, try to put a space between the plus and the 1.
Wow.
You're saying application's not procedure. So I'm thinking that it just didn't like that.
So I guess we type these in for, okay, well, we could count. Wait, how much time do we have? Do we have enough time to count? We have 9 minutes. Okay. 1, 2, 4, 5. 2,
Well,
4.
we still have question 3.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, I was just,
I'm hoping that that's right.
it seemed closer than it was to 32. I didn't finish counting, but 32 seemed a little bit too little.
Dakota?
Dakota's trifling today.
She really just wants to play because, well, I think it's because last night there was fireworks and she's not a fan
Oh,
at
really?
all.
Okay, I need to go back to this function because this function, like the first child, it seems so close, but the subpath is practically really useless. I really just using it as a check.
Yeah. Okay. See, so we were basically using locate for that, right?
Yeah, renaming it to first child. Okay, so if it equals the datum and the node, then that's okay.
I want to get something down. Let me just start redefining it down here.
I wonder if locate in forest, where's that? Okay, what if I change locate in forest? Because we have false or locate city and then that value. What if we change, so go up to located forest?
Yeah.
What if we change the like CDR forest to locate in forest city and then CDR forest
To
to
locate.
CADR? Because that gives us the child.
Okay, so wait. What was that?
Hold on. Oh, let me try it.
17.
It just sorry.
Do we have forest defined?
E.
We have to have it because it's
Do we? Try to look. It's not at the top. Is it defined in the first tree? Hold on. Basic tree. No.
oh wait. Forest is just the trees. I had tree down instead of forest. It world instead of pair. Hmm.
Oh shit. Oh, we have 2 minutes. Okay.
I think
I
an
changed 2 functions. I think I'm just gonna type those in. I
Okay.
changed because fuck, what's the function that I was changing? I changed first child, but first child uses located forest.
Yeah.
And that affects the subpath, so I was trying to see it.
I'm gonna at least turn in what I have. I'm getting the error where it's like contract of car.
I was getting an error because I changed located forest and a bunch of other ones use that of our test cases.
Just in case, at least turn in what we have.
We ran the test case. God damn it.
I don't know if they'll do partial credit or they'll just ignore it completely, but it's something.
I think he ignores it completely. I actually don't think Lupoli is the one. At least I hope not. Watching these hour-long videos.
I hope they're doing well if they have to watch these. That's all I'm saying.
By the way, do you want the link to the videos when I post them? Do you not? Do you just not want to see them?
I really would rather not see them.
Okay.
I can't stand the sound of my own voice.
All right, let's share our screen for the last time. Because yeah, I have 48 seconds to submit the quiz, but oh yes, I'll share mine right now.
please turn something in.
So, yeah, so let's go back to this function we're working on. Locate in forest the country with the tree that we're working on, like the root changes, but it's either going to return something, which is these two, or false. It usually doesn't return false. Well, it won't return false in this case because we're essentially know that the country's there. We just want to know what the first whatever is.
Yeah.
The first city. So we know it's going to be there. So it's not going to return false. The only thing I didn't have time to look over changing was locate. Because like we have locate, enforce, and then locate.
Yeah.
But I mean that'll get displayed regardless. This is just the cons, whatever.
Yeah. I just have, I don't know why it's doing this, but I basically just changed the locate city thing, which is giving me the problem that I'm giving it world. So instead of something, but it's in this area that it's causing the problem.
In the locate enforce.
Yeah.
I had this too, like the trace going back all the way to no. That has to do with like your other test cases, like calling the same function that you changed.
Oh, I don't have any other test cases now. I just have the one.
Oh, you keep deleting them after, because because after each question, I kind of have the test cases there. That's why like I keep putting true, false, 27, 44, or whatever.
Yeah.
And then one of those was calling locate and locate enforce. So, but yeah.
I don't know.
But yeah, Professor, this is gonna be our lab.
This was our attempt.
Actually, we got through most of it.
I'm sorry if that's not the tree we were supposed to use. But...
No, that was a tree.
Okay.
Yeah. No, I thought for some reason like that the tree in code looks way smaller than like the expansive drawing that he had. I thought it was a different link, to be honest with you. But no, it's the right tree. But yeah, Professor, we'll catch you next week. See you later. Or you stop recording.